ElevenLabs and Hume AI are two leading AI voice platforms focused on natural-sounding speech. ElevenLabs emphasizes ultra-realistic voice cloning and detailed customization. Hume AI prioritizes emotional intelligence and expressive voice modulation. This comparison outlines their key differences and ideal use cases. Overview of both platforms. ElevenLabs is an advanced AI voice platform specializing in high-fidelity text-to-speech and voice cloning. It uses deep learning models to generate voices that closely mimic human speech patterns, intonations, and emotions. Users can create custom voices or choose from a library of realistic voice profiles. The platform supports long-form narration, making it ideal for audiobooks, podcasts, and video content. ElevenLabs excels in producing clear, natural speech with minimal robotic artifacts. Limitations include requiring some technical familiarity for full customization and potentially being resource-intensive for casual users. Hume AI is a voice platform designed around emotional intelligence and expressive speech synthesis. It focuses on interpreting and conveying emotions through voice, enabling more engaging and human-like interactions. Hume's technology adapts tone, mood, and emphasis based on context, making it suitable for customer service, virtual assistants, and interactive media. The platform offers a user-friendly interface with pre-built emotional voice models, reducing setup complexity. Limitations include less voice cloning, detail, and customization depth compared to ElevenLabs. Key comparison points. Primary focus. ElevenLabs focuses on ultra-realistic voice cloning and customization. Hume AI focuses on emotional intelligence and expressive modulation. Output style. ElevenLabs delivers clear, natural speech with detailed voice control. Hume AI delivers emotionally adaptive speech based on context. Best for. ElevenLabs suits audiobook narration, podcasting, and personalized content creation. Hume AI suits customer service, virtual assistants, and interactive applications. Technical complexity. ElevenLabs requires more technical familiarity for advanced features. Hume AI offers a user-friendly interface with pre-built models. Customization depth. ElevenLabs offers detailed voice cloning and fine-tuning. Hume AI offers less control but faster deployment. Choose ElevenLabs if you need premium voice cloning and high customization for professional audio projects requiring lifelike, replicable speech. It is best suited for creators who prioritize voice authenticity and control. Choose Hume AI if your focus is on emotionally expressive AI voices with easy setup for interactive or customer-facing applications. It is best suited for businesses and developers who need responsive, engaging voices without extensive technical configuration. Conclusion. ElevenLabs prioritizes voice authenticity and customization depth. Hume AI prioritizes emotional expressiveness and ease of use. The trade-off is between voice, cloning, precision, and emotionally adaptive speech. The choice depends on whether your project demands ultra-realistic voice replication or engaging context-aware voice interactions. Both platforms excel in their respective domains.